Spring officially begins on the spring equinox, which usually falls on March 19th, 20, or 21 in the Northern Hemisphere and September 22nd or 23 in the Southern Hemisphere. The equinox marks the point when day and night are nearly equal in length, as the Sun crosses the celestial equator. This transition from winter to spring brings warmer temperatures, blooming flowers, and longer daylight hours, signaling new beginnings in nature. Many cultures and traditions celebrate the arrival of spring with festivals like Nowruz, Persian New Year, Holi, the Festival of Colors, and Easter. Whether it's the return of chirping birds, the sight of cherry blossoms, or the start of gardening season, spring is a time of renewal, growth, and fresh energy.